Good morning from South Dakota, you guys. I am just getting ready to check out of my hotel and get back on the road again today. We got another 6 hours of driving all the way to La Crosse, Wisconsin / Minnesota. It's like right on the border. But yeah, we got a few fun things to see today and I hope you guys are ready. So let's hit the road.
Thank you so much. I love your hair. You're a good one. She had the prettiest big curly blue hair. Love it. First person I've seen on the road trip that has blue hair. Okay guys, you know how I have anxiety? So there was free breakfast at the hotel. I go down there while bringing a bag to take to my car to see if breakfast was still going on. And there's just one guy sitting at breakfast, not really eating anything, just sitting in front of like all the stuff and just looks at me like, and then I'm like, so I felt really awkward because he would just be watching me grabbing a bunch of food and I don't know what I want and I have anxiety, so McDonald's it is. Ooh, we crossing the state line. We are in Minnesota. Third state of the trip. Third new state, so much to see. Okay, you guys, we are pulling off the exit for Blue Earth. Is the name of this town that has the Jolly Green Giant statue. I see it. I see it. This is so random, I love it! Okay, let's go see the Green Giant statue. It's so big. Oh, you can walk up to take a picture, but I don't have anybody to take a picture of me. What a fun little roadside attraction. And you can have a picnic, and there's a Dairy Queen right there. How convenient. On the road. That was such a fun little roadside attraction and everybody here was just so cute and taking pictures. It's a great vibe. I highly suggest it. I really want a coffee. I want another coffee. I think Dairy Queen has coffee. No, Lindsay, don't need another coffee. Drink more water, you unhydrated. Okay, are you guys excited for our next stop on the road trip? Because it is the Spam Museum. Spam. Now for the record, I don't like spam. I don't. But the fact that there's an entire museum dedicated to it, maybe I need to give it a second chance. Maybe I need to learn what it's all about. What else is one gonna do in Minnesota? Oh my God, you guys, this is the cutest little town. I actually found street parking. Do you see it? Do you see the giant spam museum? That's where we're going. So cute.
Located in downtown Austin, Minnesota lies the Spam Museum. Entry is free for everyone, you just need to check in at the front desk and get yourself a Spam sticker. During this COVID time, they are also providing you with a stylus to touch the interactive boards. You know guys, at first I thought it was really funny having an entire museum dedicated to strange packaged meat, but I didn't realize how big of a role Spam played in feeding our citizens. Since it's meat that is cooked in cans and sealed fresh, it was perfect preserved food and kept millions of soldiers fed at war. It was really cool getting to see all the different types of recipes that people make when they use Spam. You can even test your knowledge on things you learned. There was honestly a lot to see and do. I would set aside an hour for this place if stopping by. Well, that's what I'm gonna use on my enemies. How many spams tall I am. I'm like 20 spams tall. That's a lot of spam. From reading online, I heard when COVID is not a thing, people are walking around with spam samples. There's also a place where you can time yourself canning spam. Currently also closed due to COVID, but it looked like a fun activity. But even aside from those, I would highly recommend taking a stop. This is very unique, interesting, and free to check out while driving through Minnesota. Fun for just you or your whole family. And of course, I would have to say my favorite part of the museum was the part that had the sections for different countries displaying examples of their different types of recipes. So many cool ones. I'm really glad I came here. Back on the road. That was adorable. Freaking week, guys.
Thank you very much. Have a good one. That was a supermodel. In a chicken costume with a sign that said chicken for today, and I just looked at him and I gave him a big thumbs up, and he was so excited and he waved, and I have no idea what that's about, but I'm so happy that it happened. We're almost at the hotel. This town is so cute.
Y'all, I am loving this room. Look at this reclining chair. Perfect for editing, which is what I need to get done, with coffee and more coffee. And this place has a pool and hot tub. It's like a whole fridge. There's a big TV. Now, I'm really not like spending a lot on hotels. Like, I'm just picking the cheapest hotel in the area. Well, since I have this really nice hotel room, I'm just gonna spend the night editing everything that I filmed over the past 3 days. Stay tuned for next week's vlog when the road trip continues.